Just when we thought we'd seen it all, the final day threw everything at us.
My printer keeps printing the same document over and over, and I didn't even send it.
Let's check the print queue. There's a stuck job in memory. And wait, the printer is on the wrong subnet.
Step-by-step fix 1. Remotely clear the print queue. 2. Reboot the printer. 3. Assign the correct static IP. 4. Educate the user on secure printing options.
Don't laugh, I forgot my admin password again.
We all need a reset sometimes, even bosses.
All right, let's walk through the steps to reset your password. First, boot into safe mode with networking, then use the command prompt with admin tools to reset your password. After that, configure backup authentication using your email or phone. And just a friendly reminder, enable multi-factor recovery options even for executives. It's always better to be safe.
Yep, a phishing script injected via a macro in Excel.
Hundreds of outbound emails detected from Sarah's workstation? This can't be good. Okay, let's move on to fixing this email outbreak. First, disconnect the workstation from the network. Next, run endpoint malware detection. Then revoke Office 365 token access. After that, reset the credentials. Finally, notify users and apply email gateway filtering. Stay vigilant, everyone.
I pay for support. Fix it or I cancel everything.
Let's take a breath. I'm here now. Let me show you I've got your back.
Issue: VPN DNS conflict blocking CRM access. Fix 1. Flush DNS cache. 2. Reset VPN adapter. 3. Add DNS override for CRM server. 4. Save as a fix-it policy for other remote users. Outcome: client apologizes and gives a 5-star support review.
Looks like accidental ACL overwrite.
Here's the solution to the shared drive issue. First, log into the file server. Next, restore the last known working permission set. Finally, set up audit trails and user permission logs going forward.
Okay, this is not on the support checklist.
Here, take this backup machine.
Always image backup leadership devices. Maintain spare hardware for execs.
Wait, this ticket isn't real, it's from us?
It's a surprise. This ticket is to say thank you for being the best team.
Team cheers.
Let's go out in style, team.
You've been with us through chaos, comedy, and code. Every call, every glitch, every reboot, we've shared it all.
Whether you're an aspiring IT pro or a seasoned tech, remember, support is more than fixes. It's people, teamwork, and learning every day.
If you've laughed, learned, or leveled up during this series, don't forget to hit like, share with your tech squad, and subscribe to at AskToGnome. Learn with the difference. All thanks for joining us on Help Desk Challenges. This may be the final episode but every challenge is just the beginning of another story.